What's up, guys? Welcome back. Do you like my designer safety glasses? Safety first. So yeah, everything for the vet came in. Everything that we need to get it ready for the event on Saturday. We got the Silvers NA coilovers, custom spec'd with custom spring rates. We got the Drift HQ dual caliper kit, brackets, calipers, polymetric pads. I got a remote reservoir, parts by Max, Hydro direct bolt-on in pink because that's all they had. So we're kind of just going to do a pink livery with the car, kind of make it work. But it looks cool. I honestly don't mind it. It looks pretty sweet. NRG short hub that we're probably going to put the Sparko wheel for my old car. And lastly, we got the FDF Mantis angle kit. This is the best angle kit available for the C5, C6 platform as far as I know. And the reason I got such a high-end kit, on my C6 I had the SLR kit, which was really good, especially compared to stock car. But I felt like it ran at an angle kind of quick, like I wanted to kick the car out more, and it would spin out. And it might just be my skill. I'm definitely not like a pro-level drifter. So yeah, we're gonna put this thing together and hopefully make it for the drift day on Saturday. Let's go. So Gabe pretty much got all the suspension in the front off, and I gave him a celebratory taco.
That's up here.
So yeah, Corvette stuff is super easy, honestly, especially suspension stuff. Here's the driver's side, pretty much completely torn down, and passenger side, exactly the same. Here's the factory knuckle and hub. Upper control arm. All the bushings on this stuff, as well as the ball joints, were pretty much toast, so I'm glad to be replacing them. And that's kind of the reason I got the full FDF kit, just because I knew a lot of this stuff would be toast, and I kind of assumed that I'd be in more money replacing all this than just getting this full kit. So one of the other main components we're replacing is the factory leaf spring suspension. Corvettes come with this kind of weird composite leaf spring that goes from the left side to the right side and acts as a spring, like a spring on a strut. And honestly, it's a pretty good system. Like, I've never really had any complaints about it, but I'm excited to see how the car feels on coils. We're also getting rid of the sway bar, which is one of the limiting factors on the FDF kit. So we're going to see how that goes until there's a sway bar with a little bit more clearance. But yeah, you can see the bushings on these things are just completely toast. So I didn't really want to deal with replacing all this, so we just got a new kit. Alright guys, quick update. It's day 2 assembling the drift car. We have 4 days to go for the event. Some bad news, the tires that I ordered will not be here on time. They arrive like Monday, 2 days after the event. So I'm going to be scrounging up some used tires just to test and get a little bit of seat time. But we did make pretty good progress. I got the Hydro fully mounted, and I'm actually making a custom bracket that goes on the where the radio used to be, because the radio in this car surprisingly doesn't work. So custom bracket, that's going to house the external reservoir for the hydro. We got the coils in on the rear. Pretty easy. Again, Corvettes are pretty easy to work with. We got the secondary caliper mounted on the rear. I had to next air some brake fittings because no one local had them. So hopefully those come in either tomorrow or Thursday, and that's pretty much the last thing we need. We got the front completely set up. I'm waiting for a new set of hubs. Just figured I would do it while it's apart, especially since we're going to be beating the car up. And I got some new O2 sensors. So it's coming together slowly but surely. It's definitely been a stressful start to the week, especially with just like regular life going on. So we're going to try and get this guy done, and it's looking like we'll for sure make it to the event. I'm just in the process of finding tires and wheels. So yeah, we'll see you tomorrow. What's up, guys? Welcome back. We pretty much have the Corvette done, and in typical Pat style, it is the day before the event. We're gonna go get the car aligned now, and the last thing I need to do is plumb and bleed the hydro. So this is pretty much how it looks with my eyeball alignment. It's not horrible. We're running a 1-inch spacer on the front with these BMW M parallels, and it looks pretty good. There's a little bit of rub on the front fender that I'm kind of concerned about, so I'm going to see if we can add a little bit of caster and get rid of that. But yeah, this FDF kit is super sweet. Like, everything is adjustable on it. Got the coils in and dialed. Everything's looking super good. So here's the hydro mounted, and then I also got the Sparco steering wheel from the C6 put in here, so that's kind of cool. But yeah, we're gonna go get the car aligned and then do like maintenance, fluid change, get the hydro bled, and get ready for tomorrow. What is up, guys? It's the day of the event. Per usual, I'm running super late. I ran into some last minute issues with clearance. My brake lines were tugging pretty badly and started to leak, so I've extended them a little bit. And on full lock the other way, they were hitting the coilover, so I kind of bent them backwards a little bit. Just for the time being, I do plan on getting extended stainless lines, but just to make the event today, that's gonna work. So yeah, the car has a lot of angle. It felt really good. I mean, you can kind of see the brake line tugging here. So I just kind of unbolted that bracket to give it a little more room to wiggle. So hopefully that holds together. It's my goal to drive there, and obviously I'm gonna have to drive back, so I'm just kind of hoping that everything on the car stays together and doesn't break or fall apart or lose brake fluid and not work anymore and crash. So yeah, don't do that at home. Definitely just get extended brake line. But this is kind of last minute to make the event, so that's what we're gonna do. But I think that's full lock. I'm doing the service now. There's the nasty old stinky oil that probably hasn't been changed in 10,000 miles, who knows. So we're putting fresh fluids in, engine, tranny, diff, and then I also got a check engine light for an O2 sensor last night. So I got a new O2 sensor going in today. Basically, just trying to take care of the car as much as possible because I do plan on beating it pretty hard today, and it is a pretty warm day. I don't have a lot of tires, so and all the tires I got are like crappy used tires. Sadly, my tire shipment got delayed. So yeah, I mean, I think we'll still have some fun, you know, getting out on track for the first time in a while. So let's go. Guys, we made it to the track. The car felt pretty good on the highway. I'm gonna do a quick bolt check, just because I put like 20 miles on highway, and then we're gonna do some hot laps. Let's go! Amigo! What is up? Big Danny brought the Miata out for some hot laps. Nice. Miata looks awesome, Danny. It's the same color as my Corvette, brother.
No, it's the other way around.
How dare you.
It's the same color as my car.
Should have went this way.
Alright, so big oval. Where did we go up though?
We're supposed to go this way and then turn in that part right there and hit that side and then come up that way.
I'm watching this dude. Oh, okay. Oh, I see. I think I got an idea of it.
Ready,
Alright, so we just finished the first ever lap in the Corvette. Went off track so hard. The power steering doesn't work and it's really hard to enter without that. So I'm gonna do a hot lap with Danny in his Miata. Miata. Miata, fast Miata. Oh dang, Miata. You almost wrecked us, Miata, man.
It's okay, baby.
We broke the vet. The vent's over. Mechanical failure. Not sure what happened, but we'll get it fixed and get ready for the next one. Other than that, it was a pretty good day. We're gonna pack up, get the car trailer home, and get it ready for the next one. Alright guys, so we got the Corvette back to the shop. It's definitely broken. The power steering is completely exploded, and we're battling some suspension related issues as well. But it made it back, and you know, next video, probably gonna do a new power steering pump, finish wiring the hydro, new seats, and honestly, I may even pull the motor and reseal it. We'll see. Overall, a good event though. See you guys in the next one.